Welcome back, Trojans. Today we are going to go over how to use your TS portal icons and dashboard. Here we go.
There. A few other things we want to point out in your TS Connect portal is your EAB Navigate. Your academic advisors may have already reviewed this with you a little bit. There's also an application that you can download on your mobile device that reminds you of your appointments, your schedule, your class schedule, managing your major, how to set up a couple of things. If you want to explore some different majors and such, this is a great way to stay connected with your advisors, again, your appointments, and so forth. So there may be a few things for you to do. There's 6 important things for Titus to do. This is the first time Titus has logged into this. So applying for financial aid, meeting with an advisor, our foundation scholarships, which there's a lot of good scholarships out there we encourage you to apply for, not just with the Trinidad State Foundation or institutional scholarships, but in general, definitely apply if you need help. Our Success Centers, our academic advisors are more than willing to help you with that, as well as any of our student support staff. So yeah, let's go ahead and click with Meet with an Advisor. You can register for one of our enrollment days, which links you back into our website. You can set up an individual appointment if you are a returning student, and all of that. Let's see, checking our financial aid, applying for your FAFSA, so your free application for federal student aid. This links you to the correct website. There are mock websites out there that may take some information from you, and we don't want that, so we do our best to ensure that you have secure logins. If you haven't logged in here, you can go log into your FAFSA and get started there. So your Navigate or EAB app is a great way just to stay on top of everything you need to do, and this reminds you of your up-to-date reminders semester to semester, and some communication with your instructors and your advisors as well. So that's your EAB Navigate. You can also click on your schedule. Right now, Titus is only registered for one class right now for our spring semester. Gives you a little bit of information on what class that is, the start and end date, the dates that it's on, the times, and where it's at. You can download your schedule, print it out, and so forth. Course access, we've talked a little bit about this in our D2L videos, but if you haven't watched those yet, or you need just a quick refresher, you can click on your desire to learn access. If you are taking a Colorado Community College class or a CCCC online course, you can click that and access that here as well. To add or drop classes, if you've seen an advisor, if you do not need any special permission, you can click here to add and drop classes. You will need to know the CRNs, which is this next icon to look up classes, and you can check it out that way. Final grades, if you're looking for your grades, sometimes we need to know these for scholarships. Sometimes we just want to know for our own peace of mind that we were successful this semester. You can click that here as well. You're able to download our Office 365. This can be downloaded on your personal computer. You're a student, so it's going to be asking for your student email. If you need that information, you can always log in and see what your student email is. Link that back up to that, to your account, and you should be good to go. Your financial aid requirements and your financial aid award, we have a lot of questions with our students in regards to this. So if you haven't applied, Titus hasn't applied, so we're not going to have too much information here. But this is something we want you to know how to access, how to get to. All your financial aid award information is going to be pretty easily accessible here. You can view your status if you're waiting on something to be reviewed, to be approved, or so forth. Your award overview, how to accept your awards. Remember, you don't have to accept the full amount of the awards, even if you are given a full amount for your grants excuse me, not your grants. If you do not have to accept your full amounts of the awards, if you accept your loans, if you accept a smaller amount, that will be the amount that you have to pay back. If you accept the full amount, you will be paying back that full amount. So just do some budget management in your own mind, see what works best for you. You can work out a payment schedule with the school if that's needed. Check out your award history from other previous semesters, and other helpful links here. So there's that. If you have a bill to pay with Trinidad State, you can always click your quick link here. Bank Mobile is one of the resources you have as a Trinidad State student. You will be receiving an account with Bank Mobile, and you can get the disbursements through your financial aid into this account. You also have the option to not use this account, but use your own personal bank account. Some days, if you do not use the Bank Mobile information, it may take 2 to 3 business days longer for it to process if it does not go directly to the Bank Mobile account. So just FYI. Your College Opportunity Fund, if you have not applied for this, most of our high school students have applied for this in the past. You can easily access your College Opportunity Fund. And when clicking on this, it's a fairly easy application. You can accept you are eligible for those cost benefits and be able to move forward with that. So, clicking the wrong link here. Any personal information that you need to update, we highly encourage that your profile and your contact information, your address, your emails, your emergency contacts, and so forth is all updated. We want to make sure that your billing address, your phone number, anything that we need to be able to have contact with you, we have that information. And you're able to access your transcripts as well if you want to see your academic standing, where you're at. If you're considering transferring, this is an easy way to access those, just to begin that conversation. You have your degree check as well. This is very similar to your Navigate to check your success, what requirements apply to your degree plan and to help you move forward. And again, we are back to our student email icon. The last couple things I want to share on here is if you are on campus, our public Wi-Fi password is students first, and it'll be TSJC public. If you click on your student tab over here, this is another way to navigate your portal. There's a few more tidbits of information you can find in here. We highly encourage that you are filling out your student evaluations of your instructor for each class. If these are not completed or filled out, we do not know on the areas how to improve. So we really want to make sure that we hear from you and what that feedback is and how we can help you move forward the best. Here's another way to look up or add classes, look at your schedule, print your schedule, and so forth. Order official transcripts. You can also order official transcripts directly from our homepage without having to log into your TS Connect portal. You are able to apply for graduation through here. And yeah, you're able to download the OneDrive, install Microsoft Office, get a few more tidbits of information from our IT department, and so forth. Those are the main things that we want our students to check out and be able to access. Your student account tab is going to review a little bit more of your billing and the financial side of your educational experience with us. You can go through this as well and check a couple of things in regards to what your overall financial aid status is. And yeah, in campus life, we always encourage that you check your student email and you look around campus for our weekly events and flyers. In addition, we also want our students to know that we have resources on and off campus for multiple things that are impacting all of our students outside of the classroom. So if you have any kind of mental health or wellness needs, we have access to crisis counselors as well as just mental health professionals, and we can help you gain some of those services at little to no cost, and to work with you as well. If you have any medical or childcare needs, if there are some hygiene or food assistance that you may need, we can give you some access and some information in order to reach those resources. And there's a lot of other information that we can give to you. So we highly encourage that you're reaching out to your student life and your student government reps if these are things that you would like to hear more about. If you're on our Trinidad campus, you can also reach out to your RAs, and we will be able to assist you and make sure that we can get you the resources for your success. So hope that's been a good overview for y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And yeah, we hope this was helpful. Thank you.